Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be cleaning my living room and my kitchen today. I did get my implants done on my teeth and I haven't been able to post very much on TikTok or here on YouTube, and so I've been doing a lot of reposts on TikTok lately. So for all of you that follow me on there, that's why the reposts have been happening. Here's my retainer. It's gotten shaved down like quite a bit because, you know, my gums were really sore and really inflamed and really swelled, so I had to have that shaved down, and so that still looks kind of funny. The implants were replaced, but they're not actually put in yet, just the screws, and everything's ready. I have to wait 4 months for it to heal, and then I'm able to go back and get the last, I guess it's a surgery. I'm not sure how that works yet. I haven't talked to my general dentist or my oral surgeon about it because I was trying to know as little as possible before I went in because I was so nervous and I didn't want to know anything that was going on. So if anybody's interested in that, I'm going to make a vlog about it. It was quite an interesting experience, to say the least, and it's going to be worth watching in my opinion. This is not very dirty, but I do have a bunch of pantry items back there because I'm going to be redoing my pantry also. So I may just go ahead and turn this into my pantry. I'm not sure yet, so like whatever the title of the video ends up being, that's what I'm going to be doing, if I'm going to be doing both, because I'm also on my way hopefully to get a new kitten. Somebody's currently looking at the kitten I wanted, and I keep having to call back and they're like, they're still with the kitten, they're still with the kitten. There's like these people wanting to take the kitten I wanted, and so I'm hoping that they decide against it and they cannot make up their minds. So hopefully it ends up being here with me, and if not, it's meant to be, and I'll end up with the kitten that's meant for me. So alright, let's get into the video. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys, I finally did peel away the contact paper, shelf liner, or whatever you call it, off of my countertops, and I hate them still. I hate these countertops, so I'm going to replace it. But what I had on there, it was not the contact paper that I wanted. It was too dull, and I was trying to replace it with some brighter contact paper, and I know some people don't like that on their countertops, but my countertops, I hate them, so I need something to brighten them up. If you can see what I'm talking about, they're just so ugly. They're just so ugly. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I hope this helps to motivate you to get up and clean. I decided not to do my pantry video in this video, but it should be in the next video, so go ahead and look out for that if you're interested in watching me organize my pantry. I did organize it once already on my channel with only using things from the Dollar Tree, which I will link below for anybody that's interested in watching that. But this time I'm going to be organizing it with things from Amazon.
Better say something that will change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance.
I just noticed you guys can see the kitchen towel so good now. I did have that wrapped in the shelf liner because I hate it personally. I just don't like the browns and the beiges that are in the towel. I don't think it goes with my kitchen, and I've never had tile in my kitchen. This is the first time I've had tile, and I hate it. I want tile, but I just don't know how to get that fixed. I asked my husband if he could fix that for me, and he said that he probably couldn't because you had to like tear out drywall and everything to do that. So I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll have to keep it. I'm not sure.
Something that will blow my mind. If I have learned one thing, it's wasting time. I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
So I've been thinking about clearing off more of my countertops. I do have a lot on there that I feel, and I'm putting a lot back on there here in this video, but I'm thinking about on my next video clearing some more of this off and having a lot less clutter on my countertops.
I never took you for a one-night stand, and I was hoping to see you again, yeah. Maybe be a little more than friends, you and I, yeah. But lately you've been acting like a ghost and never answer when I hit your phone. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Get you out of my head. I wanna take back everything I said, yeah. I wish I never got in your bed that night. And every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body. Should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast. Before even knowing where we're really at, guess I never should've let you in so close.
Oh my gosh guys, so I have a new update on the kitten. This was recorded like a week ago and I did not get the kitten that I wanted. The people did end up adopting that kitten, but I did find a new kitten at the shelter and it is so little that I have to wait for it to be weaned, and she said I can come get it on the 30th of December, which is not so far away. As of today it's 10 days away, and I can't wait, and I can't wait to show you all my new kitten.
My body, my body, my body.
Time moves fast when I'm with you. Went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, 'cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side.
My cat has been destroying my tree and everything underneath it, so I had to rearrange all this under the tree.
I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there. 'Cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. 'Cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss another video. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.